Namaste, Alchemist Varsha this side, and today we are going to talk about five major signs, clear signs which are manifested by your body to start your spiritual journey. So, all of us, we have our material side and spiritual side, and we don't know when is the right time to start our spiritual journey. So, the first sign is unexplainable pains and aches. So sometimes you can just have, sudden shoulder aches or maybe chest pain, tummy ache, lower back pain. And all these pains, when you go to a doctor or probably get a scanning done, there you'll not find anything in the scans because the pain is not because of an ailment or a disease. It's because there are stored trauma, unprocessed and unhealed wounds trapped inside of your body, which create blockages inside of your physical body, manifesting into pain. So they can start at any age and they can continue for months and years. And what will happen if you don't treat them? So the first thing is that it can actually go to little more serious things, like you may get into a situation where these pains and aches can actually form into some kind of a medical issue. So now, examples of these unexplainable pains and aches. So sometimes the feet and the palms can be swollen. So the sign why the feet is swollen is because the feet chakras could be blocked. If the finger joints or the palm area is swollen, that is because the palm chakras are blocked. Okay, so whenever there is a blockage because of an unprocessed trauma or unhealed wound, your body part, any of the body part, one or many areas of your body will give you a clear sign that there is an issue. So what do you do? What's the remedy? So the remedy is stretching exercise. Stretch your arms, shoulders, back. You can do yoga, you can go for nature walks, okay, and journaling. So you have to write about the emotions you can identify in a day or just before you go to sleep. Okay, and of course, water intake should be more whenever you see that, a part of your body is swollen or you feeling pain out of nowhere. So the second, reason why you should start your spiritual journey or second clear sign is broken sleep cycles. So you can just wake up, middle of the night for no reason. It is not because you have to go to the toilet or the washroom, but it could be because of vivid dreams. It could be sudden pain. It could be maybe, suddenly you get frightened out of nowhere. So, and all these vivid dreams which happen, it can happen night after night, for days, for weeks. And there's a possibility that the dreams you've been seeing, those are of random people, random situations. You have no connection with anyone whom you see in these dreams. So that's a clear sign that you really need to go for regular spiritual counseling, regular spiritual healing. Okay, so now, why does this broken sleep pattern happen? There are a few reasons. One of the major reasons is when the downloads are happening. Downloads, we call downloads, there's some kind of energetic upgradations which happen in our body from time to time. So those we call as downloads. So when downloads are happening, our physical body has its limitations. It's difficult sometimes for our physical body to process the upgradation, the energetic upgradation, and that is how, you know, it's quite possible that we are not able to sleep for 3 to 5 hours or 6 to 7 hours at a stretch. Okay, and dreams happen because dreams are also part of clearing process. Certain amount of karmic cycles get cleared through vivid dreams. Okay, so what is the remedy when you are not able to sleep or when you are getting vivid dreams? So the first thing is to journal your thoughts, your dreams, so that if there is a recurring dream, you can actually observe the pattern. What is the message? What is the hidden sign in those dreams? If there was a particular color which was repeated, maybe there were people who were wearing the same color in every dream. That could be a message for you. Probably that color is associated with a chakra of your body which is supposedly blocked, okay, or which needs your attention, right? So one of the very effective remedy I suggest my clients for sleeping well is lavender oil. You can take 2 to 3 drops of lavender oil, massage on your forehead and the temple area, on your wrist, on your throat, feet, and just try to sleep. So within few minutes, you'll actually have a nice deep cycle of sleep. Okay. So the another remedy is to cut short your social media usage, to cut short your usage of mobile phones or television. That is also going to help you to sleep properly, because there's tremendous amount of energy, positive and negative, which comes through the social media we use, either for to watch movies or probably to see news, anything. It could be anything, but there is tremendous amount of energy exchange which happens. So it is advisable that you should switch off your gadgets at least 2 hours before you are planning to sleep. Okay. So the third sign that you should start your spiritual journey is when there are outbreaks, skin outbreaks, eczema, psoriasis, it could be just pimples and acne or whatever you want to call them, allergies. So this is a very strong, clear sign that you must start your spiritual journey, because whenever a deep wound or an unprocessed trauma or a wound has to clear from the body completely and permanently, the last stage is when it comes out of the skin. So one or maybe few of your organs or glands could be affected because of the stored trauma. So when it is, coming out of your body, it will always come out from the epidermis, right? And that is how you have these outbreaks. Maybe you will have wounds, or maybe you'll have eczema, psoriasis, skin allergies, or other outbreaks. Okay. The second reason is that many of us have had lifetimes where we used to do a lot of meditations outdoors, under the sun, under an open sky. So because of the heat from the sun, there were sunburns, on our skin, which manifested in our successive lifetimes as skin issues, right? So these are the two major reasons for skin issues. Now, the fourth sign that you should start your spiritual journey is bloating. Like, when you wake up in the morning, you have a flat tummy, but after you have your breakfast, or even if you have a glass of water, you see that your, upper abdomen, this area, is like it's swollen, or you can actually feel there's a good amount of bloating which is happening. So bloating is a sign of, again, unhealed trauma like grief, sadness, assault, molestation, resentment, anger, frustration, irritability. It could be anything which has not been cleared from your body and it has manifested into bloating. So bloating is a clear sign that you must start your spiritual journey. The last sign is fatigue. So when I say fatigue, it could be physical exertion, it could be mental exertion, it could be emotional exertion. So all these things are related to karmic cycles, unprocessed trauma, the wounds, blockages, curses, implants, evil eye, all of these things together from, we may have picked up from our ancestors or the lineage from past lifetimes or parallel lifetimes or in this lifetime. So fatigue is one more reason that we really need to start our spiritual journey. And what happens when there is a lot of mental anguish? So of course you'll get into depression. What happens when there is emotional anxiety? Of course you will get into cycle of getting angry, getting irritable, getting frustrated because of smallest of things, right? So what's the remedy for this? Journaling, nature walks, talking, talking to people about your innermost feelings, not hiding anything. It really helps in, clearing these kind of exhaustions. And of course, connecting with nature and connecting through meditation. So now when I say start your spiritual journey, what does it mean? It means that you need to start your meditation, nature walk, journaling, observing, and trying to enhance your psychic abilities, the gifts which you have brought into the world through this current incarnation. And secondly, you can actually be in touch with people who can mentor you, therapists, trained healers, trained counselors, trained therapists, because that is the best way to clear all of your stored trauma, which may cause all of these issues, right? So, see, this video was created with a simple intention that sometimes we are not able to understand what is happening, suddenly in our physical body. So this video is the answer to all of your issues which you may have felt probably before in earlier times, or probably you are going through right now. So this video will reach you at the right time when you need to hear this confirmation that yes, you need to start your spiritual journey right away. And for any other questions related to this video or related to your spiritual journey, you can always chat with me on my WhatsApp number, or you can send an email on my email address. As always, I'm sending you lots and lots of love and blessings. Take care. Namaste.